A bit of breaking news to bring to you right here on Links 007 TV News Report. Queen Elizabeth II has passed away as thousands gathered at Buckingham Palace to pay their respect. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with this full and exclusive detail. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Queen Elizabeth II has passed away. This in an announcement made from Buckingham Palace. Queen Elizabeth II, UK longest serving monarch, has died at Balmoral at age 96 after reigning for 70 years. Her family gathered earlier today at her Scottish estate after concerns grew about her health earlier on Thursday. The Queen came to the throne in 1952 and witnessed enormous social change. With her death, her eldest son Charles, the former Prince of Wales, will lead the country in mourning as the new king and head of state for 14 Commonwealth nations. In a statement, Buckingham Palace said, "The Queen died peacefully at Balmoral this afternoon." All the Queen's children travelled to Balmoral near Aberdeen this afternoon after doctors placed the Queen under medical supervision. Her grandson, Prince William, is also there, with his brother Prince Harry on his way. Queen Elizabeth II's tenure as head of state spanned for years, and with the transition from the Empire to the Commonwealth, the end of the Cold War, and the UK's entry into and the withdrawal from the European Union. Her reign spanned 15 prime ministers, starting with Winston Churchill, born in 1874. At Buckingham Palace in London, crowd awaits on the update of the condition of the Queen started to cry as they heard about her passing. The Union flag on top of the Buckingham Palace was lowered to half-mast at around 6:30 p.m. British Standard Time. The Queen was born Elizabeth Alexandra Mary Windsor in Mayfield, London on August 21st, 1926. Links 007 TV will have a comprehensive report to come on this in a later newscast. We'll leave you with some images coming from Buckingham Palace.